Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an adorable pinecone Christmas wreath ornament. It's like this. How fun is that? I love it so much. So I'm just using one of the 3-inch grapevines. I got these at Hobby Lobby. You can also get them at Michael's. I like these because they're in the Christmas section, so they're half off. So all 8 of these was $3. Pretty good. And then I have this red velvet ribbon that's 3/8 of an inch. This is from Michael's. I got these during a Black Friday sale, so it was buy one and get 3 free. They've got great deals on ribbon around Black Friday. And so all of these were only $4. I have these little pine cones. Aren't they so cute? You see them? I love these. These are actually from some greenery I had. I'll show you. This is the Norfolk pine I have. I had to buy so many different kinds of Norfolk pine because I kept running out of a wreath. I kept running out of supplies. And to restock it, I needed more, and the only one left had pine cones. The quality of the greenery is so good. So I'm like, I'll just get the ones with pine cones because that's all that's left. But I just took the pine cones off. Nothing wrong with them. They look really pretty. I just took them off because I didn't want to have to take new pictures of the wreath. So I just popped them off. And now I have a ton of these. And instead of throwing them away, I thought how fun would it be to make an ornament out of them. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tie my bow around the wreath. And I'm going to tie it in a knot first so that the ribbon hangs so the bow is straight. So you can see how it hangs so the bow is straight. So by tying a knot first, that's how we do that. And then we tie a bow at the top. So now we have a cute little bow. We can cut the tails later. I'm just gonna pull them up out of the way. And now all we need to do is glue these. I just put some glue on the bottom. If you have a glue skillet, you can also just dip the pine cones into the glue skillet. And you want to have some on the inside and some on the outside. Just so you get the wreath all covered. And these make great ornaments for your Christmas tree. They're so fun to put on gifts, on people's gifts as part of the tag. Put a little wreath on top, so fun. Makes the gift look really pretty and personal, and it's useful. I actually have another video here on YouTube where I make Christmas wreath ornaments, and those are with different kinds of greenery. I will link that in the description below if you want to check it out. But use any kind of pine cones you want. And if you have larger wreaths, use those. Michael's and Hobby Lobby have bags of really tiny pine cones, which would work really well for this. These are actually faux, but they look pretty real, I think. So I'm just gluing the bottom and sticking it on. And I am changing the placement a little bit because I don't want it to look perfect. I want it to look like just really natural. The only downside about using the glue that I use, which is linked in the description under tools, is it takes a little bit longer to dry, but it does have a stronger hold, so it's my favorite. So I'm just holding the pine cones in place as the glue dries. It's a little bit tedious, but I just love the result of this wreath. After you've finished going all the way around, if you see any holes or things that are uneven, you could actually stack on top of them. So this one won't fit here, but you can just stack right on top and it'll cover that hole and give the wreath a little bit more dimension. So cute. And I can add more down there. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, I prefer it not to be perfect because it looks more natural that way. All right, there it is. How fun! I love this wreath. It's so cute. What do you think? Oh, how fun. I love it. All right, let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And let me know if you're going to make one of these. And have you made a little mini wreath ornament before? Let me know. They're so cute. I think I'm going to have my daughter make some more with me. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.